Motor Axis breaks it down. In an age obsessed with horsepower wars, launch control, and digital driving aids, Toyota released a car that went in the opposite direction and rewrote the rulebook. The Toyota GT86 wasn't built to chase numbers, it was built to chase feel. When it debuted in 2012, the GT86 arrived with a philosophy that felt almost extinct. Lightweight construction, rear-wheel drive, a naturally aspirated engine, and a chassis tuned for balance over brute force. No turbochargers, no all-wheel drive tricks, just mechanical honesty. At its heart sat a 2.0-liter flat-4 boxer engine co-developed with Subaru, producing 200 horsepower and revving all the way to 7,400 RPM. It didn't overwhelm, it demanded precision. Paired with a close-ratio manual transmission and a curb weight under 1,300 kilograms, the GT86 delivered something rare: momentum-based performance. On paper, the stats were unimpressive. 0 to 60 miles per hour in the mid-7-second range. Torque figures that barely moved the needle. But on real roads, the story changed. A low center of gravity, near-perfect weight distribution, and sharp steering response turned every corner into an event. The GT86 rotated willingly, punished sloppy inputs, and rewarded commitment. Liftoff oversteer wasn't engineered out, it was embraced. While competitors chased straight-line dominance, the GT86 chased driver engagement. That decision split the automotive world. Some dismissed it as underpowered. Others immediately understood it because the GT86 wasn't slow. It was honest. It exposed bad driving habits and sharpened good ones. It became a car you learned in, grew with, and mastered. Then came the tuning culture. Simple bolt-ons, headers, intake, ECU tuning, unlocked sharper throttle response and filled in the mid-range torque. Suspension upgrades transformed the chassis into a scalpel. Wider tires, limited slip differentials, and aggressive alignment setups turned the GT86 into a track day favorite. And for those who wanted more, forced induction changed everything. Turbocharged builds pushed past 300 horsepower. Superchargers delivered linear, predictable power that stayed true to the car's character. Yes, the boxer engine had limits, but within them, the GT86 became something entirely different. A lightweight predator with balance still intact. The GT86 didn't just create builds, it created communities. Drifters adopted it, time attack drivers refined it, weekend enthusiasts personalized it. It filled the void left by legends like the AE86, proving that driver-focused cars still had a place in a modern market dominated by speed-assisted machines, and Toyota paid attention. The GR86 followed, adding displacement, torque, and refinement, without abandoning the core philosophy. A clear message: the GT86 wasn't a mistake, it was a statement. Today, original GT86 models are aging into modern classics. Clean examples hold value. Modified builds flood tracks and back roads worldwide, and the debate still hasn't died. Is it slow, or is it one of the purest driver's cars of its generation? Because the Toyota GT86 never tried to be the fastest, it tried to be the most connected, and sometimes that's what separates a forgettable car from a future legend. This is Motor Axis, where performance isn't just measured in seconds, but in stories still being written.